Okay, this way. Okay, so first we want to switch on the machine. This is the window you are getting. Okay, so this is this and this both are same switches. This one back or enter, both the purpose we are using this one. So now I am going to back because it is showing here back. Now you have here manual analyze. We are doing manual analyze, so we are just going F1 manual analyze. Okay, now we want to select the method of checking. So here set analyze mode. We want to set here analyze mode. So F1 again. You have here many methods or many modes, waveform and spectra. These two we studied. Okay, we want spectra. If it is not here, now this blue color you can see here on this one, it is selected. If it is not here, you can adjust by using this one or this one also here. This one you can use. Okay, now I want to select the spectra. By then enter. Okay, now analyze mode spectra selected. Now we want to set spectrum parameters. Other F maximum, other F minimum, other lines. Other F maximum, F minimum we are giving based on the RPM. Okay, for checking the unbalance, maximum RPM is coming is 3500. So just to give here 4000. Yes. Okay, so just check F2, F maximum again here, give 4000. Okay, now go here F minimum. F minimum always keep 0. Yes. Okay, these lines you can change. This is like this lines and resolution. This is each are depends. If you change this one also change. This is like your camera. If you are giving more lines, the picture will be more clarity, with more clarity. You understand? Like your mobile camera. If you are giving, okay, if you change this one, sorry, this one again, delete one. This is enter. Okay, if I change this one, enter. Now select. You see here. Now this value I given 4000. It is changed to 4200. Yes. That means there is some default value with the machine. Okay. Once you give a number, it will take the nearest value with the machine. So with the machine, the nearest value is 4200. So they choose that value. Understand?
This for RPM teacher, right?
Which one?
This 400 to 4200.
200 based on the RPM of the machine. We are giving this one, not the RPM.
Okay.
See.
Okay.
Now see here. Okay. Now this one lines also you can change. 400, 800. If you take bigger lines, means 12,800, 6,400. This spectrum you will get with very good clarity, like our camera, mobile camera. If resolution is more, clarity will be more. Okay. But the problem to get to this one, it will take more time. So we are just taking an average value, maybe 800, maybe 1,600, like that one. I am taking 800. It's okay. Enter. So this part is okay. Go back. Okay. Now we finished this one and this one. Yes. Now I am going to set averaging. This averaging we can change. You can give only this average. You can change here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that one. That means the machine will take 2, 3. If you are giving 2 here, it means the machine will take 2 set of spectrum. Then together take the average of that one. You understand? If you take 3 set of spectrum, then take the average of that one. The problem is if you are giving more average, it is good. You will get a good spectrum, but it will take more time. So I have just given 2 bus. Okay. Now that is also finished. You don't want to do anything here. Just go back. Okay. Now set the window. No need to do. Here also no need to set. Here also you don't want to do anything. Now only important thing is input setup to check the unit. Okay. Now millimeter per second it is here. That means it is velocity. Yes. If I want to change, go here. Check here other set data units. Okay. You can check it to G's. G's belongs to acceleration. Other millimeter per second belongs to velocity. Other microns belongs to displacement. If I want to check, I can use this one. So in the exam, maybe I will give you take displacement. So you want to change here to microns. Okay. So I am keeping on the velocity here. Enter. Now nothing to change here. Back. Now our setup is okay. Okay. Now we want to switch on the machine. Okay. So once you switch on the machine, you should notice the running RPM. You should know the running RPM. Now I enter here. Okay. So you see here average is 2 because we set it 2. If you take it 3 or 4, you will see here first it will come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like it will take more time. Okay. So now 2, if you coming 2 here, you will get the spectrum. Okay, now you got the spectrum. So we have to check the RPM there. So once you got the RPM, you can switch off the machine. The RPM is 2211, right? Okay, now you can switch off the machine because we have the spectrum right now. Now we have the spectrum here. This is frequency. Okay, you know this one. This is RPM, right? Amplitude. Amplitude what we given is millimeter per second, that we have taken in RMS. Okay, here frequency you can see this frequency in CPM, cycles per minute. Now we want to find out our RPM is
2211.
Okay, that value we want to check here. This is 1600, this is 2400.
Yeah.
So how to check here? We have a cursor here, you can see here. Once you are moving this one, it will move on this frequency line. Okay, so just to move this one. Now the value is given here, other frequency 57. Now this cursor is on 57. So we can move it to
2211.
Okay, 2211. So let it move. Now it is 189, 2200, like that one it is moving. So once it is 2211, we have to stop it. We need to check where is the location. Now 2042. $2,205. That is our RPM. So at the exact RPM, you got a big amplitude of vibration. Other vibration small here. At this frequency, 2205, we have a big RPM, a big vibration. Sorry, this is the amplitude. How you know this amplitude? Other amplitude here in between 6 and 8.
Yeah.
So here the value has given here. You can see here amplitude 7.21. So this value is 7.21. Okay. Now we need to check this one in the CVDT chart so we can understand the condition. So now